Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to allow only live video notifications from someone in X. Notifications play a crucial role in staying updated with the content you love. In this video, we'll show you step-by-step how to configure your notifications to receive notifications for live videos only from specific accounts. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open X on your device. Once the app is open, you'll be taken to the main screen. Step 2. Next, locate the account icon, usually positioned in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on the account icon to access your account settings. Step 3. In the account settings menu, look for the three dots menu, which represents additional options. Tap on the three dots menu to proceed. Step 4. Among the options that appear, find the bell icon next to the following button. Tap on the bell icon. Step 5. From the notification options, select Only Live Videos. This will ensure that you receive notifications exclusively for live videos from the selected account. Step 6. Once you've made the selection, X will update your settings to allow notifications for live videos only from that specific account. That's it. You have successfully configured your notifications to receive notifications for live videos only from the selected account in X. Thank you for watching, and may your X experience be even more tailored to your preferences with customized live video notifications.